It's been a great event. We've had loads of fantastic conversations, really active panel, brilliant questions from the floor, and really interesting and thought-provoking discussions as well as presentations. And I think the key takeaways for me have been about how we share within the public sector the opportunities for this incredible new technology, which a lot of people are understandably quite worried about, but how we reassure them, how we provide safe spaces for people to experiment, and how we get public value really out of this enormous potential that's here now. It's not coming, it's here. So I'd say start on something small and internal, create safe, trusted spaces for people, understand the technology and the risks around it, and make sure you've done your due diligence, obviously, around data protection and around where the data sits and so on. But as long as you've got the right use case and you've kind of understood what all of the moving pictures are around that due diligence, then I think, yeah, you can really start to make quite quick learning and start to unpack a lot of potential within your workforce pretty quickly, as long as you create that safe, trusted environment.